What's the meaning of common law husband? Common law husband. Common law husband.
Common law husband. Common law husband. A common law husband is a man who lives with his partner in a committed relationship, but they are not legally married. In some jurisdictions, after living together for a certain period of time, they may be recognized as having the same legal rights and responsibilities as married couples. However, this varies depending on the laws of the specific jurisdiction. Generally speaking, common law husbands do not have the same legal rights or protections as legally married husbands, and their relationship may not be recognized by certain institutions or in certain situations.